What if Warren Buffett lost everything and had to start again in 2026 with just $1,000? No connections, no reputation, no billions. Just knowledge, patience, and discipline. Could he still become rich? Or was his success just luck, timing, and opportunity? Let's be honest, $1,000 today is nothing in the investing world. You can't buy a business. You can't influence markets. You can't diversify much. But Buffett wouldn't complain, because he never started with power. He started with principles. If Buffett started today, he would not trade crypto blindly, chase trending stocks, follow YouTube get-rich-quick advice. He once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." So while everyone is chasing fast money, Buffett would do something very different. With $1,000, Buffett would start small but smart. He would look for undervalued companies, not popular ones, not hype-driven ones, but boring businesses making real money. Maybe a simple company selling products people need every day. Why? Because great investing isn't about excitement, it's about certainty. Most beginners diversify too early. Buffett wouldn't. With only $1,000, he might put a large portion into just 1 to 2 strong opportunities. Because when your capital is small, focus beats diversification. He would study those companies deeply, understand their business, and then wait. This is where most people fail. Time. Buffett wouldn't expect $1,000 to become $1 million overnight. He would let it grow slowly. Maybe year 1 to $1,200, year 3 to $2,000, year 10 to $6,000. Not exciting, but here's the secret. He wouldn't stop there. Buffett's real power isn't just investing, it's reinvesting. Every dollar earned goes back into the system, over and over again. This is how small money becomes big money, not through luck, but through repetition. After years of discipline, something changes. Compounding starts to accelerate. $10,000 becomes $20,000, then $50,000, then $100,000. And suddenly, people think it happened fast, but they didn't see the first 10 years. The difference isn't money, it's mindset. While others panic, Buffett stays calm. While others chase trends, he sticks to value. While others quit early, he continues. That's why he wins. So, if Warren Buffett started today with $1,000, he wouldn't try to get rich quickly. He would try to get rich correctly. Because in the end, it's not about how much you start with, it's about how long you stay in the game.